Hi everyone, welcome to PedalPlanner. Currently, our app has 5 features: navigation, eateries nearby, eatery search engine, troubleshooting menu, and lastly, user review. Upon clicking each button, it will direct the user to its respective screens. For our first feature, navigation, as you can see, there's a start and end location which can be inputted by the user. It utilizes the Google autocomplete function for users to type in their own location. Once the start and end location has been inputted, it will reflect on a map as a blue and red marker. The blue marker indicates the start location and the red marker indicates the end location. The blue line represents the route established between the start and end location. However, instead of using the normal Google Map routes, it uses PCN access points to establish the routes between the start and end location. The reason for this is because the app is meant for cyclists, and they will preferably want to use PCN routes to have a more relaxing cycling experience instead of following the conventional Google Maps routes. For our second feature, which is eateries nearby, as shown on the map screen, this will generate eateries within a 5-kilometer radius from the user's live location. As you can see, the eateries are indicated by the red marker, while the user's live location is indicated by the blue marker. Users are able to tap on the red marker, which will display the name of the eatery and the exact location. Hence, with this feature, users will be able to see the suggested eateries within their location.
The third feature is an eatery search engine and route plotter. Based on the user's live location, users can specify a type of eatery they would like to search for using the type of eatery drop-down menu. Let's say the user chooses cafe. The search results generated by the Google autocomplete function will only be limited to cafes. Once chosen, a route will be generated from the user's live location to the chosen eatery. The drop-down function is useful in filtering out the eateries in which the users want to go to. Now, if I were to change the type of eatery to a bar, you'll notice that Lola's Cafe will no longer appear under the autocomplete search function, and only bars will appear in the search engine. Next, we have the troubleshooting menu, an in-app menu which contains commonly faced bicycle issues among cyclists. This would be especially convenient if users were to face issues with their bicycle and do not have access to any bicycle repair shops nearby. Currently, we have inputted two menus, General Troubleshooting and Fixing Flat Tire with Tube. Upon clicking the General Troubleshooting menu, users will be redirected to the page which consists of steps and also visual guides on how to resolve the issues, ensuring that users can understand the instructions effectively. This is also similar for the Fixing Flat Tire with Tubes page. For Milestone 3, we have added two more menus, the Restricted Movement with Pedals and the Pedal/Crank Arms are Sloppy menu.
Moving on to our last feature, the user review function. The page features input fields for users to provide their name, contact number, feedback, and rating. This structure enables users to share their experiences and opinions about the app, which can help in identifying areas for improvement. After filling in the necessary information, users can submit their reviews by clicking the Submit Review button. A Upon successful submission, a confirmation message is displayed, indicating that the review has been submitted successfully. The feedback will be gathered in the database, enabling app creators to take into consideration what improvements can be made, so that this ensures continuous development of the app. Overall, the app is feasible in terms of features created, and it is well designed for cyclists to use and plan their routes for a memorable cycling experience.